My name is Jesse Garuti. I'm a project manager with Manafort Brothers. We were hired by the Coltsville Redevelopment Company to go to the former Colt facility in Hartford, Connecticut, and do a remediation and new improvement project. The project consisted of removal of excess of 15,000 tons of contaminated soil and bulky debris, which consisted of brick and concrete. There were three different primary waste streams of contaminated soil that left the site. There was an urban fill, there was a petroleum contaminated soil, and then there was lead hazardous soil. The soils were excavated, they were segregated, and they were put into different stockpile locations, which were ultimately hauled off-site to the landfill disposal facility. The bulky waste had to be processed. We had to use mechanical methods to pulverize the concrete and reduce the size of the concrete so that it would meet the acceptance criteria of the disposal facility. Once the soil remediation was completed, we had to do the infrastructure to accommodate the new parking lot. The infrastructure consisted of a new storm drainage system and site lighting to accommodate the parking lot. The stormwater drainage system included multiple catch basins, hundreds of feet of underground piping that tied into an existing MDC system. The site lighting was underground conduit, wiring, light pole bases, and light poles, which tied into an existing on-site electrical source. Upon completion of the infrastructure, we had to establish subgrade, set the subbase, and pave the parking area, utilizing a binder course, curbing, and a top wear course. Once the parking area was established, we were able to do the finishing touches on the job, which were the line striping and the site restoration for landscaping. One of the major constraints that we encountered on this project was the type of soil material on the project. And in Hartford, it's typically a silty or a clay type material, which is hard to work with when it gets wet. Working in the winter months and early spring, we encountered a lot of groundwater and rainwater, which made the soils difficult to work with. This project for Manafort Brothers was a huge success. We were able to complete the project in the winter months and early spring months, which are difficult to work in. We were able to do the project on time. We were able to do the project on budget. We were able to do the project safely, and the owner was extremely satisfied with the final result of the project.